friends, my name is Naithik. I am 9 years old. Today I am going to make some tasty. Let's go to my kitchen. I am going to make brownie with hot chocolate sauce. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup maida, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1/3 cup oil, half cup sugar, half cup curd, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Now let's begin. Let's add sugar and curd and blend for 10 minutes. Until the sugar melts. See, the sugar has melted. Now let's add maida. Sieve it. Stir for 15 minutes in one direction. Let's add cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Sieve it well, there are lumps. Add cooking oil. Stir for 10 minutes. Now add vanilla essence and stir for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's preheat the cooker for 15 minutes. In full flame. Wow. While mixing, if the batter is thick, you can add 1 teaspoon milk. Grease the pan with oil. Grease the butter paper also. I have placed the butter paper in the pan. Now pour the batter. Place the pan in the cooker. I am using cooker because everyone can try it. I am going to make chocolate sauce. I have took chocolate pieces and fresh cream. On the gas. Now put the chocolate pieces in the empty bowl. Close the lid. Brownie, hot chocolate sauce and decoration items are ready. Let's make it. We have cut the cake. Put it in the plate. See how spongy is the cake. let's put chocolate sauce. Now let's decorate it. I have silver balls. My brownie with hot chocolate sauce is ready. If you like my recipe, please like and share. Thank you. Yummy.